What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a motorcycle backpack, you guys. Now, I don't have a motorcycle yet. I'm not even thinking about getting like a gas. I'm thinking about getting like an e-bike or something. So that's me later on, but this is for one of my family members. They just purchased a motorcycle. They just got their motorcycle license, and we are going to go ahead and give him a couple of gifts. And this motorcycle backpack is one of the gifts. Now, I don't have a motorcycle helmet to actually show y'all the capabilities of this thing, but this backpack can actually hold your helmet. So if you go to work and you don't have nowhere to put your helmet, you can actually open this backpack. I believe open this backpack, or you can put it on the outside and see these straps. I believe you can put it, like strap it to your backpack. Now, I will figure all that out in a little bit, but I am going to go over that. So right here you have 4 hooks right here on the side, one on each side. And you got a zipper. I'm just making sure it's not one there. You got a zipper right here. So for what I see, it's just one right here in the front so far. And wow, you have a lot of storage, you guys. So if you go to school, if you ride your motorcycle to school, you definitely have enough room to put a lot of books. So this is just the front pocket. So you have a little pouch right here. And you also have a Velcro and another pouch right here. And you have all the cool stuff where you could put maybe like your wallet, cards, pencils. You have another pouch right here. So if you even have like a tablet or something, it definitely will fit in this little pouch right here. All right. And that's it so far with that. Oh, it has a USB charger port right here. Okay. All right. Now you have the big boy in the back, which is a huge zipper, and it starts on the bottom. Didn't even notice that. And you got some space in this book bag, you guys. Like, I know it's flat right now, but as you can see, this thing opens up. And let's go ahead and try to open this thing right now. Wow, this thing does a full size opening. Oh, that's to open it up to give it more space. Okay, so the book bag is basically this whole bag right here is, oh, it definitely gives it more space. Okay, yeah, guys, this book bag is big. Now y'all see how big this book bag is. Woo! All right, this is nice and big. Strap right here. So you got this strap that goes around you right here. Then of course your 2 straps here. Then a buckle right here. All right. Now, I don't see the straps to where it strap your helmet. I do not see that. So, maybe you have to get your own straps. I'm not sure. I will have to look more into it. Okay, that's a stitching right here. Oh no, there's actually more. You got a zipper right here on the, oh, there it goes, you guys. I found it. All right, so it's attached like that. We found it, you guys. We found it. Okay, so this is how, oh, this is nice and stretchy. Nice and stretchy, you guys. I think I might purchase this when I get my e-bike. And then you have your buckle right here to buckle up the top of the helmet. Or the bottom or the top. However you put your helmet in here, that's on you. Now, when you have this open, you can't zipping it back up. Okay, so once the straps are out, the straps are out. That's it, okay? So the bottom part will be like that. But once you have everything tightened, and you could tighten your helmet up like this, just pull back and then pull down. You guys, I love this book bag. I love this book bag. I don't even have a bike yet, and I like this book bag. All right, you guys, I ran and got my laptop so I can show y'all this. And it definitely fits very well. All right, like it has enough room. I believe you might be able to fit like a 16-inch in here. I think this is a 15-inch laptop, so yeah, fits very well. And you guys, I'm talking about space. If you are a college student or something, you definitely could fit all your books in here. Now this is a little small pouch right here. I think they could have made it bigger, but I'm just nitpicking at this point. If you're riding a bike, maybe you want a water bottle with you. I'm not sure if a water bottle will fit in here. It might fit in there, but that's all you fit in here is a water bottle. Same with this side. I believe a water bottle will fit. You got reflectors right here. Just trying to make sure I don't forget anything else for y'all before we give this book bag away. All right, you guys, so that will be it. The USB part, I'm not gonna harp too much about it. If I find something in like the description or something, then I'll send it to you. Once again, this is a gift. Okay, so they have a little top pouch where you can put stuff in on the top, and the pouch is obviously on the inside of the book bag, but the zipper here is on the top for the pouch. And that's where you got the clip for your helmet. All right, so that's it, you guys. I have a tool backpack on this channel. I will probably link it somewhere. I will link it at the end of this video. And I have a cooler backpack on this channel. And now we have a motorcycle backpack. When I get my e-bike, probably next year, I'm looking into an e-bike. Don't know which one. It's not going to be too expensive, you guys. It'd probably just be from work and back. I'm not getting into all that. Saving on gas next year. But anyways, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to answer your questions as good as possible. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.